work done by the force of the body is equal to scalar product of the force and displacement of body in directions of the force. The work W is equal to FD cos theta. Theta is angle between the force and displacement. Work done on the object of the force can be positive or negative as well as zero. For example, the angle theta is less than 90 degree, cos theta is positive, so work is positive. If theta is greater than 90 up to the x of c, cos theta is negative, work is negative. So work is theta equal to 90, cos theta 0, work is 0. Some particular cases work done on the variable force in the small displacement delta x dw is equal to F into delta x. Area of small element delta A, total work W is equal to summation of and to W is equal to summation of x1 into x2 of F into delta x. Area bounded from x1 into x2, W is equal to integrate low limit x1 upper limit x2 F into dx with respect to dx. When a body moves in the circles, work done is centripetal force is always 0. F perpendicular x, hence theta 90, W is equal to F cos 90. A laborers lift stones of M up to height h. He applies force F is equal to mg on the stone upward, and the work done by him Fh cos 90 is equal to Fh is equal to mgh. Work done of gravitational force mgh cos x cos t minus mgh. If an object moves on the rough surface in the horizontal directions, work done reaction force Rmg is W1 0 because displacement perpendicular to each other, where F friction force mg normal F. Work done by the pulling force W2 is equal to Fs cos 90 Fs. Work done by friction force W3 is equal to Fs cos x cos t is equal to minus Fx. Net work done due to the force W net is equal to W1 W2 W3. Fs minus Fs is equal to F minus F into S. If angle between the force and displacement, then displacement net work done W is equal to Fs cos theta minus Fs. Fs cos theta and minus F into S. Work depend on the frame of reference. Change in the frame reference internal force does not change with displacement. Maybe change the work done by a force will different in the different frames. For example, person is pushing inside moved the train, the work done in the C frame reference of the train F, while some the ground F into S dash is displacement of train related to ground. Work done of spring force Fs is equal to minus kx, k is equal to force constant, and F is equal to extensor the compressions in the length of spring. If x is equal to 0, Fs is equal to 0. X is positive, then force on is in opposite directions, pulling force opposite of displacement. Work done of object by applying force half kx squares, and none of object springs W is equal to minus half kx squares. Fs is equal to negative, x is equal to positive. X is equal to 0, Fs is equal to 0, W is equal to 0. In the given x is negative, F into S is positive in this situation.